What's up, guys? This is 911 Gadgets. My name is Adrian.
My name is Devin. My name is Roger.
In today's video, we're going to show you a prank that we did to my father-in-law, their grandpa, using a fart spray. The main reason for this intro is we want to know what you think about us uploading prank videos to this channel. So we're planning on making a lot of prank videos and uploading them to here. We're used to uploading tech videos here, how to and stuff like that. So we want you to let us know in the comments what you think about us uploading prank videos to this 911 Gadgets channel. I hope you guys enjoy it. Give it a thumbs up if you do, and don't forget to comment. See you guys. Okay, I'm gonna leave this. I'm gonna prank my suegro with this. See what he says. Better? Babe, this is spaghetti como que, I don't know, man, my stomach's been hurting. I'm just gonna crack.
Yeah. Ya te dijo, ¿no te llegaste con el mom?
Babe, you don't have to put his mom, babe? No, that shit was so weird.
Hi. What?
What is that? What is that?
Babe, I need wipes. Un trapo.
Un trapo era. ¿Qué haces al baño en los pants? En los pants. ¿Qué se hizo del baño en los pants, Adrian? Babe!
Mira.
Come! Come inside, Dad. Come inside,
El
Dad.
oro.
¿A qué olía?
Voy a buscar el oro.
¿A qué olía?
Voy a buscar el oro,
¿A qué
mira.
olía?
Mira, ti.
Dad, what did it smell like? Huh?
Mira.
Come inside.
Voy a buscar oro.
Come inside.
Ti.
He doesn't even want to come inside. That's how bad it stinks in here, babe. Huh? Yeah, I hear it on the camera. Huh?
Hey, suegro, look.
Let me see.
Look, suegro.
Oh, ya.
¿Qué dice ahí? ¿Qué dice?
Yo decía, pobre vato. No se me fue. No se me afuera.
You know, hey, wipes.
You mean Dad telling me? I wish I had the camera on me. He was like, córrele, dale, wipe.
Thank you, suegro. Yeah.
Let me see.
Hey.
Hey, Dad, ¿cómo le hiciste? And then he's like, he
I was watching.
covered his nose.